The big challenge I see for testers today is really balancing automation versus manual testing, exploratory testing versus regression testing. The different kinds of testing activities that you've got to do, you need the right blend for your app. And so figuring out what that blend is and then doing it at the right amount consistently, that's a real challenge for a lot of organizations. So Web 2.0 creates a whole new balance of code where before we used to look really at just testing the server side of the application because that's where all the real business logic was, and we could treat the browser like it's a user interface. Now we're actually pushing a lot of important business logic into the client, into the web browser. And so if we're only doing our old school tests that test the server, we could be overlooking 20, 30, 50% of the code base in our app. And testing the code that runs in the browser is a completely different technique and method. Once you've got Web 2.0, then you have a whole new set of service endpoints that run on the server side itself. And so in addition to the login page and the things that send whole HTML pages down to the web browser, now you've got these itty-bitty service access points that send XML, JSON, little bits of data. And that's more attack surface that you have to think about, more attack surface you have to test to make sure you don't have little extra vulnerabilities in there.